Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I'm Lily. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone, and join my little happy family here. If you like today's look and you want to know how I got it, please stay tuned. So to start off this look, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Love in London palette that I picked up at Ulta. It was actually on sale for like $9.95. I'm going to start off with this second color here in the top row called Big Ben. And I'm just going to use that color and go ahead and lay it on my eyelid, just kind of as a bottom base for the rest of the eyeshadows that are going to be going on. Next color from that palette is going to be called Lovely. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my inner crease line, starting from the outer edge of my eye, working my way into my crease. Always picking up a little extra color just until I get it the color that I want. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Piccadilly from that same palette. Just a slightly darker color. I'm going to work it on the outer V of my eye. And slightly working it up into the crease. Now I'm going into my Huda Beauty palette in the color OUD, and I'm going to put that on the lower lash line of my upper lid, and I'm just going to work it in as if it was going to be an eyeliner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend all those colors together. Going back into that lovely color, I'm just going to darken it up a bit at the top. Going back into that BH Cosmetics, I picked up the color Posh, kind of like a dark black color. Once again, I'm going to go in as if creating a winged eyeliner. Let's just go in and blend that up into the crease. Now I picked up the color Cheeky and the color Big Ben and putting them on my inner lid to give it like a light shimmery, kind of like a champagne color, and I'm going to work that all the way up. Once I've gotten the desired color that I like, I'm going to go ahead and move into my PUR Festival palette, and I'm going to pick up the color 24 Karat Magic, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid with my finger. Alright, it's getting kind of tough with my nails, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick up a smaller brush and going to apply it with the brush. It's good to keep your loose powder under your eyes because there is a lot of fallout with this specific eyeshadow, and you could just easily wipe it away. Now I'm going back in with that lovely and Piccadilly colors from the BH Cosmetic and doing my lower lash line. Just gonna go ahead and remove all of the powder, setting powder that I have, and any fallouts from the eyeshadow. Next, we'll go in and add a little bit of Too Faced mascara on my upper and lower lashes before I go ahead and put on my wispies. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze in the contour that I applied earlier around my forehead and also on my neck. Now moving on, I'm going to go ahead and pick up the new BH Blushing in Bali palette. I'm going to use this nice pink color here in the palette. I definitely love this palette. I just picked it up from Ulta. It's called Pomegranate, the color, and it is very pigmented, and it was on sale also for $9.95 in Ulta. With that same palette, I'm going to use the middle color at the bottom row to go ahead and highlight my cheeks and my forehead above my eyebrows, and that highlight color is called Sun Kiss. Going back into the BH Cosmetics Love in London eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pick up the color Cheeky and use it as a highlighter for under my eyebrows. And I'm also going to go ahead and highlight the bridge of my nose, the point of my nose, my Cupid's bow as well. Moving on to lips, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my Anastasia lipstick. I will go ahead and link the color below in the description. I don't have it off the top of my head right now. After I apply my lipstick, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Holographic Lippy. Well guys, this is it for my look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.